back to my channel. So this is how to reset the toner. To fix the replace toner, open the front cover, always offer in the display. So let's start. First, open the cover, then press the clear asterisk 00. So as we can see, accepted. And then close the cover. Let's wait for a seconds. And now as we can see the display, so it's normal now. So let's do it again. Open the cover, fresh clear asterisk 00, and then close the cover. Wait for a seconds. Now it's done. So we fixed the replace toner problem.